Madagascar, the enchanting island nation off Africa's eastern coast, is renowned for its exceptional biodiversity. This biodiversity extends beneath the surface, where a treasure trove of vibrant gemstones awaits. From the fiery depths of the earth emerge sapphires, rubies, emeralds and tourmalines, each a testament to the island's geological marvels. The allure of these precious stones draws gem enthusiasts and traders from across the globe, eager to tap into Madagascar's vibrant gemstone market. However, navigating the path to becoming a licensed gem dealer in Madagascar requires a thorough understanding of the legal framework and a meticulous approach to the application process. The gemstone trade in Madagascar is governed by a specific set of laws and regulations that have been meticulously crafted to manage this lucrative industry. These regulations are designed to ensure transparency, fairness and environmental responsibility, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of the gemstone market. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum is the primary regulatory body overseeing all mining and trading activities related to gemstones. This ministry plays a pivotal role in enforcing the laws and ensuring compliance among all stakeholders. Before embarking on your journey as a gem dealer, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the legal framework outlined in the Mining Code of Madagascar and its implementing regulations. This comprehensive document provides detailed guidelines on every aspect of the gemstone trade. These laws dictate the terms of exploration, extraction, processing and trading of gemstones within the country. They cover everything from obtaining the necessary permits to adhering to environmental standards during mining operations. Understanding these legal provisions is paramount to operating within the bounds of the law and avoiding potential complications. Compliance not only ensures smooth business operations, but also contributes to the sustainable development of Madagascar's gemstone industry. By adhering to these regulations, gem dealers can help promote ethical practices and support the local economy. A successful application for a gem dealer license hinges on the meticulous preparation and submission of all required documents. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum maintains a stringent checklist to ensure that applicants meet the necessary criteria. First and foremost, you will need to provide proof of your identity and legal status in Madagascar. This includes a valid passport, visa, if applicable, and proof of residency. Additionally, you must submit a detailed business plan outlining your intended gem trading activities, including your sourcing strategy, target markets, and financial projections. A police certificate demonstrating your good standing and a clean criminal record is also mandatory. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you can initiate the application process by obtaining an application form from the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum. This is the first and crucial step in ensuring that your gem trading operations are legally recognized and compliant with local regulations. The application form requires you to provide comprehensive information about your background, business experience, and intended gem trading operations. This includes details such as your previous work in the industry, any relevant qualifications, and the specific nature of your business activities. It is crucial to fill out the application form accurately and completely, ensuring that all information provided aligns with the supporting documents. Double-check each section to avoid any errors or omissions that could complicate the approval process. Any discrepancies or omissions in the application can lead to delays or even rejection. Therefore, it is advisable to review your application thoroughly before submission. If possible, seek assistance from a professional or someone experienced in the application process to ensure everything is in order. After completing the application form, you must submit it along with all supporting documents to the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum, either in person or through registered mail. Make sure to keep copies of all submitted documents for your records. The submission marks the beginning of the review process, where officials will verify the accuracy and completeness of your application. Section 5. Understanding the fee structure. In this section, we will delve into the various fees associated with obtaining a gem dealer license in Madagascar. The gem dealer licensing process in Madagascar involves various fees that must be paid in a timely manner. These fees are crucial for the smooth processing of your application and to ensure compliance with local regulations. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum sets a non-refundable application fee payable upon submission of your application. This fee covers the administrative costs of processing your application and is a mandatory first step. If your application is approved, you will be required to pay an additional licensing fee to receive your gem dealer license. This licensing fee is essential for the issuance of your official gem dealer certificate, allowing you to legally operate within the country. The specific fee amounts are subject to change, so it is advisable to contact the ministry directly or visit their official website for the most up-to-date information. Staying informed about the current fee structure can help you avoid any unexpected costs or delays in your application process. Failure to pay the required fees within the stipulated time frame can result in the rejection of your application. It is important to adhere to all deadlines and ensure that all payments are made promptly to avoid any complications or setbacks in obtaining your gem dealer license. Section 6. The Waiting Game Application Review. After submitting your application and paying the necessary fees, the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum will commence its review process. During this period, the Ministry will thoroughly scrutinize your application, verifying the authenticity of your documents and assessing your eligibility based on the information provided. The review process typically takes several weeks to complete, during which time the Ministry may contact you to request additional information or clarification on certain aspects of your application. It is essential to respond to any inquiries from the Ministry promptly and professionally to avoid further delays. Section 7. Maintaining compliance, a vital aspect. Obtaining a gem dealer license is not the end of the road. Rather, it marks the beginning of your responsibility to maintain ongoing compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. As a licensed gem dealer, you are obligated to keep accurate records of all your transactions, including purchases, sales, and inventory. These records must be readily available for inspection by officials from the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum upon request. Regular reporting requirements may also apply, necessitating the submission of periodic reports detailing your trading activities. Section 8. Seeking expert guidance. Navigating the intricacies of gem dealer licensing in Madagascar can be a complex endeavor, especially for those unfamiliar with the local laws and procedures. To ensure a smooth and successful application process, it is highly recommended to seek guidance from local experts. A qualified lawyer specializing in mining and trading regulations can provide invaluable assistance in understanding the legal framework, preparing your application, and ensuring compliance with all requirements. Additionally, a reputable business consultant with experience in the Malagasy gemstone industry can offer strategic advice on setting up your operations and navigating the local market. Section 9. Responsible sourcing, ethical considerations. As a gem dealer operating in Madagascar, it is crucial to prioritize responsible sourcing practices and ethical considerations. The gemstone industry has faced scrutiny in the past for issues related to conflict minerals and unethical mining practices. By sourcing your gemstones from reputable suppliers who adhere to sustainable and ethical mining standards, you contribute to the well-being of local communities and the environment. Transparency and traceability in your supply chain are essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring the long-term sustainability of your business. Section 10. Conclusion. Embarking on your gem dealing journey. Obtaining a gem dealer license in Madagascar presents a gateway to participating in a vibrant and potentially lucrative industry. By meticulously following the outlined steps, understanding the legal framework, and adhering to ethical sourcing practices, you can position yourself for success in this exciting field. Remember, the journey requires patience, diligence, and a commitment to responsible business practices. As you embark on your gem dealing venture, embrace the opportunity to contribute positively to the Malagasy gemstone industry while fostering sustainable economic growth and development.